Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to post video longer than 1 minute on WhatsApp status using a simple method that anyone can follow. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you don't run into any issues while posting your status. Step 2. Next, head over to the menu and tap on the Updates tab. You'll notice that WhatsApp doesn't allow videos longer than 59 seconds here. Don't worry, we've got a trick for that. Step 3. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Tap on the search bar right at the top. Step 4. In the search bar, type in Video Splitter and hit Search. From the list of results, find the one with good ratings, select it, and install it on your phone. Step 5. Once it's installed, open the Video Splitter app, follow the on-screen instructions, and tap on the option that says New Project to get started. Step 6. Now, choose the video you want to post on your status. Use your finger to adjust the slider and set the split duration to 35 or 40 seconds, but make sure not to go over that batter for you. Then, tap on the Split Now button. Step 7. Wait just a few seconds while the app processes your video. Once done, the clips will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Now, return to WhatsApp and tap on the Add Status button at the top. Step 8. After that, tap and hold on the first video you just split, then select the second one and continue choosing all clips you want to post. Once you've selected them, tap the Confirm button at the bottom. Step 9. Now take a moment to preview your status. If everything looks good, tap the Share button at the bottom. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to post video longer than 1 minute on WhatsApp status with ease. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.